Hi, I'm Dr. Sharon Grossman, psychologist and coach, helping healthcare professionals become medical mind ninjas during a crisis. What I want to talk to you about in this video is what to do if you're falling apart. You are a frontline worker and you are dealing with a very stressful situation. You might be feeling overwhelmed by all the stress. You might even be burning out. And one of the things that you might recognize is that when you're in this state, it can really affect the kind of reward that you typically get from your work. You might lose your confidence in being able to do your job competently. You might become more irritable or even withdrawn. When you're in this stressful state, you're also more prone to making mistakes, and your immunity can become weakened, making you more prone to illness. The problem is that even though you are dealing with all these real things out in the world, you are medically trained not to show any signs of weakness. So what do you do? How do you cope with this? And before any of this may have started, you may have already been feeling like you were burning out. And so this may be a whole other layer of burnout for you. Now, stress is an inevitable part of your job. Now, of course, it is more exacerbated than normal, but this is part of everyday living on some level. So it's important for us to figure out how to truly deal with stress. And it's important not to blame other people or the situation around you. If you are feeling any sort of vulnerability right now, depressed, anxious, overwhelmed, burned out, there is no shame in that. So I want to say that again. There's no shame in experiencing difficulty. You too are human. It's okay not to be okay, despite any sort of training you may have gotten to the contrary. It doesn't mean that you're weak. And if you are not feeling as competent right now or are unable to operate right now, it doesn't mean that you'll never be able to work again. Also, you are not alone in this. Many people are struggling right now, and burnout may lead you to want to pull away. But what's really important right now more than ever is for you to reach out to someone that you trust to confide in, or even hire a coach to help you get through the situation. And finally, there could be a silver lining. So burnout and crisis can really shine a light on what's truly important in your life. So take care of yourself and the people around you, both at work and at home. And I know that it might feel really selfish to do that, but that's what is needed in order for you to last long-term in this crisis. And if you like this video, you're going to absolutely love the entire mini course that's available for free. So enroll today by going to www.medicalmindninja.com.